Driven by cruelty, a woman was injected with spider genes, and in the very next moment, changes began to occur within her. Her cheeks distorted and swelled up, and her eyes took on a spider-like shape. But unexpectedly, in the end, she gradually returned to her human form. Seeing the experiment fail, the scientists increased the dosage and injected the genes into her body once again. To improve the success rate, they activated a secret weapon. A glass cover slowly descended and, within moments, enclosed the woman's hand. As the tube opened, a large black spider appeared. In the next moment, the spider crawled toward her through the glass tube. This was their method of triggering the gene mutation, stimulating her nerves by exploiting her deepest fear. The spider kept crawling over her hand endlessly, plunging her into unbearable pain. After a while, they removed the spider. A bald scientist approached to examine her and discovered that her genes had begun to activate. So they decided to take even more aggressive measures. The woman was then strapped to a tiger bench, and a glass helmet was screwed tightly onto her head. A long tube and a wooden box were connected to the helmet. As the lid of the box was opened, numerous venomous spiders began crawling through the tube toward her face. The trapped spiders roamed freely over her face. At this moment, the woman completely panicked. In the terrifying situation, she began to scream. Seeing signs of success in the experiment, the researchers released her restraints. She leapt up, desperately trying to remove the helmet, but it was no use. She could only clutch her head and squirm in terror. In despair, she began slamming her head against the glass wall. At one point, her madness intensified even further. The next moment, her face began to swell. Her appearance was no longer human. It indicated that her gene mutation was about to succeed. The glass helmet shattered, and the genes slowly stabilized in her face. After a while, the experiment was a success. Her face returned to its original form. From that moment on, the woman possessed the superhuman abilities of a spider.